Dito tayo sa Veg Fest. Pakita ko sa inyo yung iba't ibang mga stalls. Butcher. And ito, Moonchild. The Green Bar. Matcha Super, the superfood grocer. The Good Choices. Of course, Rodney. I'm doing a video. Pharmacist is here. Ito, may mga buwan dito. Dito kakakain, etc. Okay, at least.
Naka-vlog ka?
Yeah. I'll talk to you later.
Ay, saka sa'yo.
Huwag muna kayo uwi ah. Hindi pa kayo uwi.
That's a great advice.
Vlog muna ako. Hindi pa ako nakapag-vlog. Okay. Dito tayo sa Veg Fest. Sinara nila yung buong Paseo de Rojas para sa ating vegan festival. Ito ang
Where she attended plant-based workshops,
patay na box. Marikina Vegan. Oh, wow. Anyhow. Wow. Okay.
Nice! Wow! Siya ng vegan, no?
Vegan fries.
Okay, kailangan talaga mag-inject siya ng
Ito, Plant Lab.
In the Philippines in 2019, she launched her
Vegan.
vegan food brand, Renee Fashion.
Vegan Beauty. Beauty.
Along the director of the Philippine chapter of the Philippine Center for Culinary Arts.
Okay.
Please welcome
Hindi natin mapupuntahan lahat. Punta tayo doon sa mismong main stage. Ito yung battery nila, oh. Dito natin yung charge yun, oh. Ang laki ng charge. Sige, gagawin ko itong 12 minutes. Ayun, oh. Andito tayo sa Paseo de Rojas Corner Villar. Andiyan ang video. Okay. Dito tayo sa Bahay Kubo Kitchen. Bahay Kubo Kitchen. Seaweed roll, bites, chicken nuggets, tosilog, burger steak, and spare ribs. Wow. And Narish is here. Hey Narish, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, just freshly cooked. Do you want to try it?
Wow! Naka-4 ka na?
Good siya, ma'am. Okay.
Lemon.
Many things are happening here right now. Waters. Maya. Banmi Food Court. Okay, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo lahat ng mga pangyayari dito sa loob ng Veg Fest. Last day.
Boy, sakto!
Okay. Wow, ang dami ng tao dito.
Talaga naman, Chef me, I have to say I love your outfit. Earth tones, ganyan. I like the vibe of your outfit. So, ano yung mga advice na magbibigay mo sa mga chefs natin?
Saan ka nag-park?
Wala akong dala
Just go with your
Hindi,
intuition.
bike.
Wala rin ako dala pa.
Paano ka nakarating? Nag-ano ka? Commute ka. Kasi kahapon nag-visit.
Good luck daw, guys.
Nalayuan ka, no?
We are very
Napagod ka.
happy that you are here also this
Nice to see you, bro.
We will be learning.
Nag-volunteer ka ba ngayon?
Yes, vegan FJ.
Oh, nice.
Tingin ako dito.
Thank you very much, Chef.
Meron nga yung cooking show. So currently they are
So,
doing
ngayon
something.
nakilala na natin yung mga chefs natin. We will now go back
Their
to
time.
our contestants to have updates on what they're cooking. So ngayon naman si Chef Minerva, nakikita natin she's working on her mushrooms and tofu. I guess mushrooms, right? mushrooms, no?
King oyster mushrooms ang kanyang
Which is a very good source of protein, by the way.
Tama ba?
Yes,
Oo.
and a great source of fiber as well.
Oh, yeah. And vitamin D, if I'm not mistaken din, ano? At saka ang kulay, I love the colors talaga when you're cooking plant-based. Ayan, talagang mince, tapos with unmeat hot dogs and let's see, ano ba yung sausage
Ano yung
ba?
mga aabangan natin later. So si Chef April naman, talagang always with a smile when cooking. Talaga, she's a radiant source of energy for all of us this afternoon. And I guess she's working on her veggies or vegetables.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Oo, hilaw din tayo. Ano na? Hilaw na papaya. Ayan. Naku, alam mo ba, trivia lang, sabi lang ng Chef April, gusto ko talaga yung perfect na hilaw at hindi not at hindi rin masyadong hilaw na papaya. So,
The right balance between pagkahilaw and
very
pagkahilaw.
picky with talaga quality of ingredients. So we'll see ano pa yung kanyang nasa table. Meron ding nagigisa ngayon siya ng sibuyas. Ano ba ang ating nakikita? For those parang sa mga tao sa likod na hindi alam. Sana naamoy nila, no?
So lastly naman si Chef Gomez, Richard Gomez, I guess he's also working on the base of what he is going to prepare. So very interesting yan.
Kalamansi.
Oo.
May seaweed, may kalamansi, may mangga. Kaya yung gagawin
Very
niya.
interesting, talaga katakam-takam. So now that we know the updates on what they're cooking, let's go back upstage naman and let's acknowledge our sponsors.
Should we do it here? Kasi they're
Oh, yeah, sige, dito na lang.
Para mas masaya with the audience. Let's go ahead and say thank you to our generous sponsors.
Kalamansi.
So our
Alright.
first sponsor this afternoon is Unmeat. So Unmeat.
Fresh
talaga,
calamansi.
As my personal journey with transitioning vegetarian vegan myself, Unmeat has been very helpful with my transition. No? So Unmeat,
Sandali lang, sorry, I have to, kailangan ko lang din i-instruct yung audience. Guys, no, I just wanna give you a heads up. Eto may premyo to sa inyo. If you guys are listening carefully from what we're gonna have to say, mag-quiz kami. Madali lang naman if you're listening. And we will give you a prize. So, go ahead.
so talagang hintayin na natin yung ating first game this afternoon from Unmeat. Unmeat is a company providing tasty products for our contestants today. Unmeat, unbelievably free, unbelievably tasty. Available at most major supermarkets and grocery stores. So for us to be more knowledgeable on their products, let's welcome Enrico and Jem from Unmeat.
Hi, Enrico. Hello.
Can you please introduce yourself for our contestant?
Hi, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Ako si Enrico Trio, marketing ng Unmeat. So we're always happy to support VegFest. I think this is the third time that we've been
Oh, yeah,
organizing
every
Sarap
year na lang.
Pag-Ibigan. Yeah,
Thank
so
you.
always consistent partner tayo ng Sarap Pag-Ibigan.
What do you have in store for our audience this afternoon?
Magpa-game ka naman, Sir Enrico.
Siyempre magpapagame tayo,
Oh,
pero
okay.
bago tayo magpagame, kailangan may tatanong tayo sa
Oh,
kanila.
syempre.
Diba? So, ano nga ba yung Unmeat, diba? So yung Unmeat, diba, ginagamit siya ngayon ng mga contestants
Okay,
natin na
got
nasa
it.
likod. So they're
Program.
cooking Unmeat Lunch and Meat, no? One of the favorites for 2 years already. Unmeat, Hungarian sausage.
Sino kasama mo? Si Doc?
Alone?
Pero I saw your post with your
You can
friends.
stick to the vegan community every Thursday.
So, show there. Yun yung nangyayari ngayon dito sa VegFest Makati, March 30, 2025. Ang haba nito hanggang doon sa kabilang dulo. Doon. Gusto nyo makita hanggang sa dito. May ingay doon. Tayo na tayo doon. Hindi tayo makapag-vlog na maayos. So, currently, nagkakaroon doon ng show. Cooking show. Pasarapan sila ng vegan meal. Okay. Basta dito mamaya. Go sign. Go sign. Walking. Oh, bilisan natin. So slow. Dito tayo sa kabilang side. Nandito ang Verdict Click.
Ilang years na
Dito naman ang Alas hot sauce. The good juice. Earth desserts. Shy shoppers, welcome Aldeo. Animal Liberation, Pampita. Planted. Uy, Shirley's. Si Shirley's. Dito ang ano to? Ano to? Ad Cafe. Habits. Dito si Wild Time. Frank. Pasok ko dyan, Frank. Happy Brew. Greenery Kitchen. Andito ang Unmeat. Vegan Grocer. In this kaleidoscope world. And here is the other side. Ang haba pa nito. Isa-isay natin, okay? Kwentong Dagat by Miss Patty. Hi, Patty.
O siya nung Miss Pat, gagawin yung may-ari, di ako.
Ay, ito pala.
Kasi parang di mo kilala itong mga sila pa yung gagawa.
Your content camera.
Yesterday, somebody ka once more.
Vegan Island. Andito rin ang spirulina. Huwag ka nang tumayo. Natalex. Turunitos. Lemonade. Fungify. Wonder Home Naturals. Mother Tongue. Green meat. Best kamote chips. Aigu Cafe. Viga is here. Diwata Vibe. El Shallow.
Not recently, not since.
Tusok-tusok ni True Habit. Indulge Pizza.
Do you have anything that's gluten-free?
Baked.
Do you have anything that's gluten-free? Wala pa. Sige, balik ako ulit.
Fried watermelon. Hello. Vegan cashew, cinnamon rolls, buttercups, etc. Bread and salt. Everything ice cream. Free taste? Sure? Kaya naman tumanggi. Kasi nasa video kayo, mahirap naman tumanggi. Okay, ganito lang yung karaming binigay. Yan, ganyan lang. Yummy. Naku, nasarapan ako, mukhang bibili ako. Ang bilis ng bigay. Nalito na yung ano ko. Nalito na yung ano ko. Napakamura po, bilhin na po kayo, Vegato.
No bago.
Verde Eats. Verde Eats. It's vegan. Hey, vegan.
Hi, Sam.
From Verde Eats. Prime Pacific. Sagana, coconut puree. Ito na po kayo dito. Free taste lang. Gusto niyo ba ng good poison?
Yes, sir.
Poison siya pero good siya.
Yes, definitely. less poison you'll ever taste. And
Wow.
it's vegan.
Wow, vegan good poison. So there you have it. Nag-overtime na tayo. Natapos na po ang ating video. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Thank you for watching Vegan Fest, Veg Fest Pilipinas. Bye-bye!